Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the Samsung S22 Ultra. This phone is one of the most complete phones I have ever owned, and my favorite part about this phone is the cameras. It has a 10 times optical zoom. It's so convenient that the charging port is a USB-C type of port. It goes from 0% to 100% in about an hour, so I think that's very, very convenient. And a very fun part about this phone is the stylus pen. As soon as you take it out, the phone gives you a few options in case you want to take notes, if you want to write something on the screen, if you want to send a message with your own handwriting. So I think that is super fun. And on top of all of this, the screen is amazing. The resolution is incredible. I really like watching videos on this phone. The colors are very, very crisp and vibrant. I think this is such an incredible phone. It really has so much to offer, and that is my point of view.